Thanks for joining. Today we're going to go through a gentle yoga sequence you can do in those first couple days or weeks after undergoing endo excision surgery. Doing light movement can help release gas, improve bowel movements, relax muscles, and ease pain. Be sure to adhere to your surgeon's post-surgical precautions, and please honor your body, taking any modifications that feel good to you. I recommend having several props such as a blanket or towel, a yoga block, and a bolster or pillow to help support your body. Let's get started lying on our backs. Placing a bolster or a rolled up towel under our knees, resting one hand on the belly and one on the chest. Connecting with your breath. As you inhale, you should feel the hand on your belly rise and gentle expansion in your ribs. Exhaling softly through the mouth as if you were fogging up a mirror. This type of breathing has several benefits. It allows us to be more present in the moment, helps calm our nervous system, and can even help with pain. Rolling onto one side and pressing up to come into a cross-legged position. You may wish to elevate your hips by sitting on your bolster or a folded blanket. Starting some seated cat-cow movements. Inhale, tilt the pelvis forward, raise the gaze. Exhale, tuck the chin, round the spine. Keep going at your pace with your breath. Opening up the chest as you inhale and rounding the spine as you exhale. Pausing in an upright position. Placing your right hand on the floor beside you, reach the left arm up and side bend over to the right. Inhale, coming back up, switching arms, right hand reaches overhead, side bending to the left. Doing 4 more with your breath. Inhaling up. And exhale, releasing into your side bend. Coming back to an upright position, maybe shaking out your shoulders a little bit. Inhaling, arms reach overhead. Exhale, twisting over to the right. Inhaling up, twisting over to the left. Inhale up, 4 more to each side with your breath. Lengthening as you inhale and settling as you exhale. Removing any props and coming into a tabletop position with your hands on the floor beneath your shoulders and your knees below your hips. Inhale, reaching your left arm up towards the ceiling, opening through the chest. Exhale, threading it under the right armpit. Let's do that 4 more times. On this last one, resting the left shoulder and cheek on the floor or a bolster, relaxing a little bit more with each exhale. Coming back up into a tabletop position and repeat on the right side. Inhale, reaching your right arm up towards the ceiling, opening through the chest. Exhale, threading it under the left armpit. Keep going. Inhale, opening. Exhale, threading. Pausing on your last rep, resting the right shoulder and cheek on the floor or bolster. Relaxing a little bit more with each exhale. Coming back into tabletop before moving into puppy pose. Keeping your hips in the air and slowly walk your hands forward. Maybe using a bolster or a yoga block to support your forehead or chest. Softening through the upper back, allowing the belly to relax. Taking several deep breaths here. Pressing back up, coming onto your knees, maybe placing a blanket beneath your knees, stepping your right foot forward and coming into a half kneel. Tuck the pelvis, reach the arms overhead. With a nice long spine, shifting the hips forward, getting a stretch through the hip flexor. Keeping your spine straight as you shift the hips forward, releasing the trunk forward, swinging the arms back. Taking a gentle movement, trunk leans forward, arms reach back and then overhead. Checking in with your pelvic floor to make sure that you aren't clenching. Seeing if there's any areas of tension that you can release. Pausing, lowering the left arm down, reaching the right arm overhead for a twist. Now switching your leg positions. Left leg forward, right knee is on the ground. Arms reach overhead, tuck the pelvis, shifting the hips forward. Inhale, lowering the torso, reaching the arms back. Exhale, arms reach overhead. Good, taking several more repetitions at the rhythm of your breath. And then setting up for our twist. Right arm will drop down. Left arm reaches up, opening the chest towards the left. Taking a deep breath here. And exhale, release. Slowly lowering onto your back. You may wish to have the blanket at your head for support like a pillow. Hugging your right knee into your chest. And just taking a breath and then bringing it across your body onto the left side. You can have your bolster here to help support and lessen the intensity of the stretch. Bringing your right arm out to a T, getting a nice stretch across your chest here. Keeping that right shoulder down. Left hand can rest on that right knee. Switching your leg positions, straightening out the right leg, maybe bringing your bolster onto the right side, hugging the left knee into the chest, head and neck are relaxed, and then bringing the knee across your body towards the right for a gentle stretch. Using the bolster or a pillow for support. Left arm can come out to your side in a T, keeping that left shoulder down. Right hand resting on the left knee. Taking several breaths here. Bringing your legs back to a neutral position, bending the knees, and then windshield wipering the legs side to side. Setting up for our Shavasana. Maybe placing a bolster beneath the knees. Letting the legs be heavy, feet can flop open, arms resting at your side. Allowing your body to settle in and feel the benefits of your practice. You can stay here as long as you'd like. Thank you for practicing with me. I wish you the best on your recovery.